In this video, we will see how to password protect files and folders on Mac. So here we are seeing there is a folder. It is named as personal. This folder contains couple of files and folders. Our goal is to protect this folder by putting some password so that nobody can access. This rule is also applicable if there is only one single file also. For this example, I'm going to open this folder to show what it contains. Here this is a folder. Inside this folder there are a couple of files, like on is personal image and on is personal file like email password, and inside there is another folder, it is called files, and inside this file there are a couple of files are also there. Now let's set a password so nobody can access this folder without any password. I am going to use disk utility software to set the password on the folder. Press spacebar and command key all together, and then here type disk utility, and the disk utility software will be visible here. From this menu, just find out the disk utility application and just double click on it to start the disk utility software. Once disk utility software is open, just click on file, and then from this menu choose new image, and from new image just choose the second one, image from folder. From here we need to choose the location where the folder is located to set the password. Go to the folder location or file location and then choose that by selecting that, and then by pressing this choose button, and it will be selected. It will prompt us to rename the file. I am fine with the same name, but if you want to choose other name, you can also retype here. Let's choose the encryption option. I'm going to use 256-bit encryption option, and then we have to type the password. I'm going to type a strong password in the password field and also type the same password in the verify field, and then I'm going to click choose button, and now we are going to save it by pressing the save button, and it will be saved. It will take some time. Based on the file size, it will finish the task. Once the task is finished completely, then we will see a file is created with the same name which has extension .dmg. Now we can delete the old one because we don't need it anymore. Now our folder is secured. If we try to open it by double clicking, it will ask us to put the password. So I'm going to type the password which I put previously, and let's see whether it is able to open the folder or not. And once the password is successful, then it will show us all the files and folders. Now we can access all the files and folders, and we can view or modify any of them. Once our task is completed, then we need to close this thing, this window, and it will be locked again. So I'm going to press the close button to close it. So once it is closed, we are seeing that the window is gone, and again if we double click or press it, it will ask me to put the password to access the file. So that's it. It's very simple and easy. In this way we can easily protect our files or folders on Mac. Thank you for watching the video.